children. Welcome back to my channel. I am dealing with ninth class linear equations in two variables. Exercise 6.3. Fourth sum I am doing. Earlier I have done up to 3. Fourth sum. Draw the graph of y minus x is equal to 2. And from the graph, first one, find the value of y when x is equal to 4. And second one, the value of x when y is equal to minus 3. So this is what the problem, children. So for this I have done the equations and I found out the values. See, y minus x is equal to 2 means y is equal to 2 plus x. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2 plus 0, that is 2. So ordered pair is 0, 2. X is 0, y is 2. And if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3, 1, 3, 1 and 3. If x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 2 plus of minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Minus 1, 1. So what you need to do, you have to draw these values in the graph. After doing this, you have to find out the value of y when x is equal to 4. So let us see this. The graph that I have done is here, children. You can see this. This is the graph I have taken. Scale x on x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Now x is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y is 2. And x is 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. This is 1 and 3. And x is minus 1, y is 1. So this is the straight line that I have got, children. After getting this, from the graph, they are asking to find out y value when x is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, this line intersects this at here. And so what is the y value we are getting for this? 6. So 4, 6 is the answer for the first bit. Second one, when y is equal to minus 3. So when y is equal to minus 3, I have drawn a straight line which intersects this line at this point. So what is its corresponding x value? Minus 5. So minus 5, minus 3, you have to write. Always first you have to write x value, then y value. So the second one answer is minus 5, minus 3. So this is the problem, children. Please observe the total problem and the graph. Here it is, children. I hope you can get it. You have to do it in your book, children. This graph. Now the next problem, fifth problem. Draw the graph of 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and find the solutions from the graph when y coordinate is 3 and when x coordinate is minus 3. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 means 3y is minus 12 minus 2x. Y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. So when I took x value as 0, y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 0 by 3. 12 minus 0 by 3, 12 by 3, that is 4. So ordered pair is 0 and 4. And if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 3 by 3. That is 12 minus 2 3s are 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 3 2s are 6. So 3, 2. X is 3, y is 2. When x is minus 3, then y is equal to 12 minus 2 into minus 3 by 3. That is 12 minus into minus plus 6 by 3. That is 18 by 3. That is 6 minus 3, 6. So with the help of this, we need to do the graph. So this is the graph, children. In this graph, x is 0, y is 4. X is 3, y is 2. X is minus 3, y is 6. So this is the line that I have got for this problem, children. Now the question is what? Find y coordinate we have to find out x coordinate when y coordinate is 3. So for y coordinate 3 means this is y coordinate. So I have drawn a straight line here, it intersected here. So when I found this value, this is 1.5. So x value 1.5 comma 3 is the solution for this. Next question, what he said, x coordinate is minus 3. So I have taken x coordinate minus 3. I took this line up to this, and where it is intersecting here, it is 6. So minus 3 comma 6 is the coordinate where x value is minus 3 and y value is 6. So these are the solutions, children. I have written this here, you see. When y coordinate is 3, then the solution is 1.5 comma 3. When x coordinate is minus 3, then the solution is minus 3 comma 6. So you can go through this entire picture, that is the graph and the working out, children. This is the solution for this problem. Now sixth problem. Draw the graph of each of the equations given below and also find the coordinates of the points where the graph cuts the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means what, children? X-axis and y-axis. First equation is 6x minus 3y is equal to 12. That means what, children? 6x minus 12 is equal to 3y, or y is equal to 6x minus 12 by 3. So I took three values for x, 0, 1, minus 1. When x is 0, see, y is minus 4 I got. When x is 1, I got y is 6 minus 12 minus 2 I got, 1 comma minus 2. When x is minus 1, 6 into minus 1, minus 6 minus 12 by 3, minus 18 by 3, that is minus 1 and minus 6. Now these values, that is 0 comma minus 4, by 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 6. So here all the three I have done in one graph only, children. This is the first one. In this first one, 0 comma minus 4. So this is 0, this is minus 4. And the second bit is 1 comma minus 2. So this is 1, this is minus 2. And the one, next one is minus 1 comma minus 6. So this is minus 1 and this is minus 6. So this is the line, children. You can see this one, first one. This whole thing is the line that I have got. Let me minimize so that you can see. This is the line that I have got. Now, what is that question? What are the x and y coordinates of this? That means this line intersects x-axis at minus 2 comma 0. Sorry, 2 comma 0. X-axis value. And the same line on y-axis, 0 comma minus 4. That is the solution for the first problem, children. Now, the second problem is minus x plus 4y is equal to 8. That means 4y is equal to 8 plus x. Y is equal to 8 plus x by 4. So if x is equal to 0, 8 plus 0 by 4, that is 8 by 4, that is 2, 0 and 2. If x is equal to 4, if x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8 plus 4 by 4, 12 by 4, that is 3, 4 comma 3. If x is minus 4, y is equal to 8 minus 4 by 4, that is 4 by 4 minus 4 comma 1. So these values I have substituted here in the second equation. So which is second equation? This is second equation. So in this second equation, you have got first 0 comma 2. So this is 0 and this is 2. 0 comma 2. Next 4 comma 3. So this is 4 and this is 3. 4 comma 3. Next minus 4 comma minus 1. So this is minus 4 comma 1. So this is a line that you have got. So this line is intersecting x coordinate at minus 8 comma 0 and y coordinate at 0 comma minus 2. These are the values for the second bit, children. Now third bit. Third bit is 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. This means what you can say, 2y is equal to minus 3x minus 6. Y is equal to minus 3x minus 6 by 2. So here, see the working out I have done here. Third one, when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3 into 0 minus 6 by 2, that is minus 6 by 2 minus 3. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus 6 minus 6 minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6. So my 2 comma minus 6. If x is minus 2, then y is minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 minus 6 by 2, that is 0 minus 2 comma 0. So these points I have kept it here. See, this is the third equation. Third equation line is this, children. This is third equation. So in the third equation, what you have got? 0 comma minus 3. So 0 comma minus 3 is this point. And the next one is 2 comma minus 6. So this is 2 and minus 6 is this. 2 comma minus 6. And the next one is minus 2 comma 0. So on x-axis minus 2 and y comma 0. So this is a straight line that I have got for the third bit, children. This is the line I have got for the third bit. So this line is intersecting x-axis as minus 2 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma minus 3. So these are the graphs. This whole thing is the graph that you are getting, children. Please see it. I hope you can get it. Now the solution here, once again I have written solutions x-axis and y-axis, that is x coordinate, y coordinate. For the first problem 2 comma 0, y coordinate 0 comma minus 4. Second problem 8 minus 8 comma 0 and y-axis 0 comma 2. Third problem minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3. So here you can observe the circles that I have drawn, children. These circles will indicate x coordinates and y coordinates of the concerned equation. So please do these graphs in your book, children, so that you will understand. I am trying my level best to give you the explanation for it. I have done all these problems for your sake. So if you do by yourself, you will understand the graph, children. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. With this, I am concluding my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.